To delete a Facebook page, start by logging into your account on Facebook.com. Once logged in, go to the top right corner and select the menu icon with 9 dots. From the menu, navigate to the Pages section under Social, where you can view all the pages you manage. Facebook pages come in 2 types: classic and updated. If you have multiple pages, you may see them separated into 2 sections, with updated pages at the top and classic pages at the bottom. To delete a classic page, select the page and click on Settings on the left side. Scroll down to the Remove Page section. Click on Edit, and then select Permanently delete this page. Confirm that you want to delete the page, keeping in mind that this action is irreversible. If you have an updated Facebook page, select the page from the list and switch to acting as that page. You can do this by clicking on your account icon in the top right corner and selecting the Switch button, or going into Profiles and selecting the page as your new profile. Once you've switched, click on the 3 dots under the Edit button and select Page and Tagging Settings. From there, go to Facebook Page Information and click on Deactivation and Deletion at the bottom. You can then choose to delete your page temporarily or permanently and follow the prompts to complete the process. By following these steps, you should be able to delete your Facebook page, whether it's a classic or updated page. Remember to be cautious when deleting a page, as this action cannot be undone.